Hey fashion fam, welcome to Style Talks by Styleavera. Ever thought how one kurti can completely transform your look? Not once, not twice, but 3 times. Let's see how we can style this simple kurti in 3 different ways. Look 1. The everyday chic. Let's start pairing your kurti with classic black leggings. Add a pair of golden jewelry, watch and minimal makeup. This look is perfect for college, brunch or that casual day out. It's effortless, breezy and totally wearable. Look 2. The Indo-Fusion twist. Layer it with the jeans and add statement oxidized jewelry. You're giving modern daisy vibes. This look is perfect for a photo shoot, coffee date or casual hangout where tradition meets trendy. Look 3. The festive glam. Change the jeans, go for a flared skirt or palazzo. Add one bright dupatta, bold earrings and a little highlighter. Now that's how you take a basic kurti straight to the celebration mood. Which look was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to follow for more styling hacks. Stay tuned, Styleavera.